Hey guys, welcome back to Genius Recipes. I'm Trudy, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to strip clean and cook Jamaican callaloo. Now, if you're not from the island, if you're not familiar with what callaloo is, it's basically a green similar to spinach, but 10 times more powerful. This green is actually sometimes recommended from doctors to women that have heavy bleeding during their periods and for people that have iron deficiency. So this is a very iron rich, calcium rich, and also potassium rich vegetable. So if you want to learn how to easily clean all of these vegetables and prepare it to cook, keep on watching. To strip and clean your callaloo, you will need a large bowl, a fresh bundle of callaloo, somewhere to throw scraps. I'm actually using my compost bin, a knife, and a medium to large sized cutting board. So let's grab our callaloo and start by cutting off the ends. You want to cut off the lower portion of the stems that are extremely hard and dried up. Put the bundle of callaloo back into the bowl and then grab a piece. Debudding time! So start by paying notice to the budding or flowering parts of the plant. You do not want those parts in your pot, so we're just going to get rid of them. To debud your callaloo, use your knife pressed against the corner of the bud, the stem, and your thumb. Cut the entire stem in half and put it aside. You also want to look out for wilted or spoiled pieces. Remove and throw those away. Then just repeat this step with the entire bundle of callaloo. Wait, hold on. If you're learning something right now, make sure to pause this video and share the love. Share this video with a friend, give it a big thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and subscribe for more videos like this. Stripping time! Now you want to strip off the outer, more rougher layers of the large callaloo stems. This ensures when you're eating your callaloo, you don't encounter any trashy or hard to chew pieces. And you can do that just as you see what I'm doing here. I'm pulling against the corners of each stem and pulling all the way down until a nice strip forms. You want to look out for stripping opportunities specifically on these larger stems. There's absolutely no need to strip each small or medium-sized leaf. Lastly, go through all of the leaves and take out any rotten, bug-bitten, or limp-looking pieces. All right, it's time to give these babies a bath. So fill your bowl with cool water until the callaloo becomes submerged. Use your hands to move the greens around and around in order to shake off any excess bugs or sand. Organic produce, you guys, will have bugs, but that's just nature. Anyways, add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to the bowl to assist in cleaning your callaloo. You also want to pick up individual pieces and wash them separately to ensure there are absolutely no bugs left behind. Now it's time to strain off the water. But first, I just want you to see the cloudiness of it. This is actually not bad for a first wash, to be honest, but definitely wash and repeat 2 to 3 more times or until the water is crystal clear. Next up, chop. The chopping process is pretty standard. Just chop medium to large bunches of callaloo into small pieces. Repeat this step until you've completed the entire bowl of washed and drained callaloo. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Cooking time! Okay, begin by adding olive or avocado oil to your pan, then add roughly chopped onions and roughly chopped fresh garlic. Allow them to sweat just a little bit, maybe for about a minute or so, and then go ahead and add your callaloo to the pot, then your garlic powder, your sea salt, and your black pepper. Now this next spice is optional. I suggest actually using a whole Scotch bonnet pepper if you have one on hand. If not, then just go in with a little cayenne pepper like I'm doing. Saute and add warm water to the pot, cover, and allow it to steam. So now it's time to check on it. This is what the callaloo looks like after about 5 to 7 minutes of steaming. I just love how vibrant the greens look at this point. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn it off And just a note, it will continue to cook for a few more minutes on an electric cooktop like I have, but if you have a gas stove, it will immediately stop cooking once the fire is off. Taste test time! So I like to make my callaloo, as you guys saw, pretty simple. Just salt, pepper, garlic, onions, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Wow. Perfect. The one thing I love about callaloo is that it has a very creamy, absorbent nature to it. So if you're familiar with spinach, in the way that it takes on flavors when you're cooking it with seasonings and with other herbs, spices, and whatever it is that you're making it with, it really grabs onto the flavor. Callaloo is like that, but 10 times better. So I really enjoy it just simply like this, on the side of whatever meal I'm having. Today we had some roasted pumpkin, Yukon potatoes, and Japanese sweet potatoes with spices and herbs, and as well as red lentils that were already stewed down in coconut milk, tomato paste, and other spices. So it was a really good combination for today's dinner. I'm really excited for you guys to try it. If you try making this, stripping it, cleaning it, leave a comment down below. Let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. And so I know that you guys want more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.